Alright, so the Cloud Code is an absolutely game changer. It gives Anthropic's most powerful LLM direct control over your terminal, allowing it to inspect your code base, write edits, and execute command entirely on autopilot. So you just sit back and approve the changes or let it run completely hands-free. But there's a catch. Like most developer tool, the Cloud Code is built in to thrive on Unix-based systems like Mac and Linux. And it's a bit complicated for Windows 11, but I will show you the clear and the very easy method to install the Cloud Code on Windows 10 or Windows 11, whichever you are using. So without any further delay, let's quickly get started. Okay, so bring up any of your browser and you will have to search for Cloud Code Docs and hit the enter key. On the very top, you will find the overview Cloud Code Docs option. You need to click on this website. You will come to their official website. You need to scroll down a bit where it says get started, and it will give you different options available. Like you can go with the Mac OS or Linux, but we have to go with the Windows. So either we can go with the PowerShell command or we can use the Windows command prompt. So in this video, I will be using the PowerShell. So what you need to do, you need to copy this Windows PowerShell command. Once copied, you can minimize it. Click on Windows Search. Type PowerShell, right click on Windows PowerShell, click Run as Administrator, click on Yes, and the PowerShell window will be up. Now here make a right click to paste the PowerShell command you copied and hit the enter key. Alright, so while setting up the Cloud Code, probably you will be getting this message. Cloud Code on Windows require either Git for Windows. So what you need to do here, first you will have to install it, and they have also given the link here, Git for Windows. So you need to copy this link. Again, bring up your browser, open up a new tab, paste the link you copied, hit the enter key, and it will take you to this kind of website. Here on the top only, you will have to click on Git for Windows x64 setup. Click on it, and the downloading will be started, and it's not a very big file, around 62.2 MB is the size, so you will have to wait until it's all been done. And once downloaded, you need to click on this, click on Yes. Click on Next. It will ask you the location. So if you want the same location or if you want to change it, then you can click on Browse and change it. Then click Next again. Click on Next. Next. Now it says choosing the default editor used by Git. And if you click on the drop down, it gives you different options. Like you can use either with the Notepad++ or with the Visual Studio. So you can pick any of these options here. I have Visual Studio installed on my device, so I will choose the Visual Studio. Then click on Next. And now you don't have to make any changes. Keep clicking on Next, 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 and install. And wait until the installation is being completed. And once installed, you will have to uncheck this View Release Note and click on Finish. Now come back to the PowerShell window again and run the same command that we basically used to install the cloud, and again hit the enter key. And this may take a while again to start the installation steps, so you will have to wait. Alright, and you can see it's setting up the Cloud Code now, and it says installing the Cloud Code native build latest, and it won't take much time and you will not be getting any kind of error message now. So just wait for some time until the installation of the Cloud Code is being done. Alright, bingo. So now here we go, and it says installation completed. Cloud Code successfully installed. Now below, if you read in the setup note, it says native installation exists, but C with this location is not in your path. And even it gives you the detail like added by opening the system properties environment variable. So what you need to do, you need to copy this path here. Then just make a right click here. And once you have copied this path, now next click on Windows Search. Type here environment. And in the suggestion, you will be getting edit the system environment variable. You need to click on it and it will come up with this kind of box. Here at the bottom, you need to click on environment variables. Then below under the system variable, you need to click on path. Scroll down and you will find the path section. Once you get it, click on edit. Then click on new. And paste the path you have copied. Once pasted, now you need to click on OK, click on OK, and click on OK again. So now you have finally and successfully install the cloud code on your Windows 11 machine. And in order to verify, what you can do, type here cloud space dash V. And once you hit the enter key, okay, so I believe we have to reopen it. So I will close it. And again, I can either bring up the PowerShell or the command prompt. So I will bring up the PowerShell again and then type here cloud space dash V and hit the enter key. And here we go. So now you can see it shows me the version of the cloud code. And that basically indicates that we have successfully installed the cloud code on our Windows 11 machine. And in order to start the cloud, you will have to type cloud and hit the enter key. And the cloud will be started, where you can choose the light theme or the dark theme, whichever you want to. Alright, so that's all guys for today, and hopefully you found the information, this tutorial useful to install the cloud code on Windows 11. And if yes, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.